Hey everyone, Mark here at Hyundai. Welcome back to our virtual showroom. Got another great one here, 2018 Mazda 3 Sport GS Automatic. What a beauty. You've seen the kilometers, amazing car. So happy to have it in on trade. We're doing a quick walk around the outside, then I'll show you some of the standard features on the interior. Hatchback version, great looking car. You got the dual exhaust tips, you got the Sky Active technology. The nice alloy wheels. Sorry about the sun here. It's coming to the end of the day, but I still want to get this video in. You got turn signal indicators on the mirrors. You get the fog lights. So again, lots of standard features on the exterior. It's got a nice metallic flake paint, dark blue. Hood, hood, windshield, roof, everything's in really nice shape. It's a local trade. Client fell in love with a Kona. Like I said, we're always happy to take in a trade, no matter what the brand. I'll show you the trunk really quick. So you got a nice rubber mat in the trunk. Seats are split 60-40 split folding, if you can see that. You also got anchors in all the seats. This is also removable, this privacy cover. So again, if you have little projects at home, move the seats down, take the cover out, get definitely some additional cargo space. All right, let's look at the back real quick, and then I'll show you the goodies in the front. So again, nice cloth seats. Again, I apologize for the sun, but everything's in really nice working order. Carpets, you got some cup holders there for your passengers. Back seats are in real nice shape, no cuts or anything like that. You got power windows in the rear as well. Move to the front. So if you got push button start, so you get power windows, power locks, power mirrors. All good features. You have locking rear windows as well, which is a good safety feature for the kids. You have an adjustable driver's seat, so you can raise it, lower it. You can move the back forward, front to back. You also can have a lever underneath the seat to move it, also front to back. You got traction control, which you can set and turn off, and then you also have your tire pressure monitoring system that you can set as well. All right, push button start. I should mention, oh, just a sec. Remote starter. Whoa.
Coming up in the next half hour.
There we go. If you didn't hear me, remote starter built into this proximity key. You have all your Bluetooth hands-free calling on the left-hand side right here with Bluetooth and your volume controls. Cruise controls on the right-hand side. Nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. So you get some nice features there. You have a little toggle gauge here that can toggle through. So again, easy to use. This acts as your enter button here. You got a home, your music button. This one doesn't have nav, but it has the button. So if it was equipped with nav, you can press on that and go to your nav screen. So again, it's something that was you have the ability to add on this feature. You can also drive this vehicle in sport. So you can see it comes up. I'm gonna turn it off. So some sport modes right here. You have heated steering wheel, heated seats, 3-stage on both sides. Obviously air conditioning, front defrost, rear defrost, all standard on this vehicle. And again, you got the nice screen, good sized backup camera, all standard on this Mazda. Cloth seats in nice shape, dash is in nice shape. Again, overall, very nice vehicle, low kilometers, local trade. And that is, to me, the best mix for a pre-owned vehicle. So again, don't miss out on this one. We only have the one, and when it's gone, you know it's gone. So again, 2018 Mazda CX-3 hatchback, GS automatic, lots of standard features as we just went over. Call, text, or email us if you have any other questions. Shop 24/7 and make sure you follow us on Facebook. Talk to you soon.